Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the Pepe Ronnie channel. I'm your host, Ronnie, here with the latest updates from the crypto world. Today, we're diving into the Berachain V2 testnet guide. If you're not familiar with Berachain, check out my recent video for a detailed overview of this promising project. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and join my Telegram for exclusive alpha content and insights on upcoming crypto projects. Berachain is a solid project, and I've got a simple, step-by-step guide so anyone, even beginners, can farm this airdrop in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, a few words about Berachain itself. Berachain is a high-performance EVM-compatible blockchain based on the liquidity-proof consensus mechanism. Berachain has raised a total of $142 million, with a current valuation of $420 million. Major investors include giants like Polychain Capital and many other well-known institutions that support Berachain. Berachain operates on a robust 3-token system. First up, we have the Bera token, the native gas token used for transactions and gas fees. Then there's Honey, the stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, perfect for those who want stability in their crypto dealings. And finally, there's BGT, the governance token, which you can earn by providing liquidity and use to participate in the decision-making process of the Berachain ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier, Berachain is approaching its mainnet launch and recently announced a significant upgrade, Berachain V2, known as the B'Artio testnet, and it's open to the public. Historically, many projects have rewarded early adopters and testnet participants with airdrops. While Berachain hasn't confirmed an airdrop yet, speculation is high, so don't miss out. This new version is designed to enhance the user experience. While I won't dive into the technical details and differences between the first and second testnets, I will say that B'Artio testnet is faster and smoother. Ultimately, Berachain V2 is more than just an upgrade. It's a culmination of learnings from V1, specifically designed to make developers' lives easier and better, support a large and growing community as Berachain approaches the mainnet launch. Before you start participating in the B'Artio testnet, ensure you have at least 1,000th of an ETH on the Ethereum mainnet in your wallet to access the Faucet. This new requirement was implemented by the project developers to weed out multi-ackers and Sybils. I recommend using a wallet that has at least 3 to 4 transactions on the Ethereum mainnet to ensure you will be eligible to receive any possible rewards in the future. Alright, let's head to the official Berachain website. You can find all the links in the description below. Scroll down to the bottom of the website and find the dApps menu. Click on it and choose the Faucet tab. You will be redirected to the official Berachain Faucet page, where you can claim your Bera tokens to begin using the testnet. Open your MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address to your clipboard. Remember, you need to have at least 1,000th of an ETH on the Ethereum mainnet in your wallet to access the Faucet. Alright, let's move forward. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the designated field on the Berachain Faucet page, and then click the Drip Tokens button. Great, you have successfully claimed your Bera tokens. I'd like to emphasize an important point. Tokens can be requested once every 8 hours, and it's crucial to do this regularly because you'll need a substantial amount of Bera tokens for the activities Berachain offers. Set alarms for yourself and claim your Bera tokens every 8 hours. Keep doing this until you have at least 20 Bera tokens in your wallet. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Scroll down the page and find the Explore Berachain menu with the 6 dApps presented on this website. Let's start with the first dApp, BEX Berachain DEX. Click on the Go to App button. You will be directed to Berachain's DEX website. In the upper right corner, click the Connect Wallet button. Here's an important thing. The MetaMask wallet will ask you if you allow this website to automatically change your network. Yes, we will change our current network to Berachain B'Artio testnet network. Just click the Switch Network button in your MetaMask, and you are done. Let's proceed to the next step. On the Berachain DEX website, click the Swap Tokens button. In the Swap menu, we'll be exchanging our Bera tokens for USDC tokens. Select the Bera token you want to swap from and the USDC token you want to swap to. Specify the amount of your Bera tokens you'd like to swap and click the Preview button. In the next pop-up window, click the Swap button. Then confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Excellent. We have successfully exchanged our tokens. Go back to the official Berachain Faucet page and in the dApps menu, locate the Honey dApp and click on the Go to App button. You will be redirected to the official Honey page, where you can convert your stablecoins into Honey tokens. Specify the amount of USDC tokens you want to convert and click the Mint button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Excellent! We have successfully minted our Honey tokens. Let's head back to the official Berachain Faucet page. In the dApps menu, find the BDAP again and click on the Go to App button. You will be redirected to Berachain's DEX platform. On this page, locate the View Pools button and click on it. In the next window, you will see all the available pools where you can add your liquidity. Scroll down and find the pool with the highest BGT rewards, which are special incentives distributed to users for providing liquidity. Once you're here, you'll notice that the Honey and Wrapped Bera tokens pool has the highest APY by a significant margin. This is where you'll want to provide your liquidity. I have my Bera tokens in my wallet, but I don't have Wrapped Bera, which are required for this pool. So let's wrap our Bera tokens by clicking the Swap button in the upper left corner. In the Swap menu, select your Bera token to swap from and Wrapped Bera token to swap to. Specify the amount you'd like to swap, keeping in mind that you don't need to swap all your Bera tokens at once, as Bera tokens are gas tokens required to complete transactions in the Berachain ecosystem. Once you've specified the amount of Bera tokens you want to swap for Wrapped Bera, click the Wrap button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Great, you've got your Wrapped Bera tokens. Head back to the Pools page by clicking the Pool button in the upper left corner. Find the Honey and Wrapped Bera tokens pool and click the Add button. In the next window, make sure to manually select the Wrapped Bera token. Then, specify the amount of Wrapped Bera and Honey tokens. Then click the Preview button. In the pop-up window, click the Add Liquidity button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Great, you have successfully added liquidity. Head back to the Pools page by clicking the Pool button in the upper left corner. You'll see that the pools you've added liquidity to are marked with a green badge, confirming that liquidity has been provided. In my opinion, providing liquidity is the best strategy for farming BGT rewards during this bArtio testnet phase. Make sure to regularly get your Bera tokens from the official Faucet and keep providing liquidity in pools with the highest APY. Let's proceed to the next step. Head back to the dApps page. In the dApps menu, locate the BGT Station dApp and click the Go to App button. You will be redirected to the BGT Hub page. Click the Connect button in the upper right corner and select your MetaMask wallet in the pop-up window. A few words about the BGT Hub page. Activities here are crucial and should be performed regularly. Users should actively engage and delegate their BGT tokens they receive as rewards from each liquidity pool they contribute to. The more BGT tokens you possess, the better. So let me remind you again that it's worthwhile to continually request tokens from the official Berachain Faucet. Swap your Bera tokens for other tokens, add them to liquidity pools, claim BGT rewards, and delegate BGT tokens to validators. But let's do it step by step. All right, here we can see the Gauges menu. Gauges are smart contracts where users can stake their proof of liquidity eligible assets to receive BGT rewards. Click on the Honey Wrapped Bera Gauge Vault. You'll notice that you have automatically received some LP tokens for the Honey Wrapped Bera pair by providing liquidity to the pool. Let's deposit our LP tokens to start earning BGT rewards. Specify the amount to max, and then click the Approve Infinite button. In your MetaMask wallet, set your spending cap to max as well, and then click the Next and Confirm buttons. Wait a few seconds, then click the Deposit button to deposit your LP tokens and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Great. Head back to the main Gauges page, scroll down a bit, find the My Gauges tab, and click on it. Here you can see the list of your gauges, the amount deposited, and the amount of BGT rewards available for you to claim. Let's get our rewards. Click the Claim BGT button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. You have successfully claimed your BGT rewards. Let's delegate our BGT tokens to one of the validators. In the upper left corner, locate the Validators tab and click on it. You will be redirected to the Validators page. Here's the full list of validators available during the bArtio testnet. Let's choose one of the validators. I will select the Honey Jar validator and click on it. Here you can see all the details this validator provides, such as APY, voting power, reward rate, and more. Let's click the Delegate button. In the next window, specify the amount of BGT you would like to delegate, and then click the Q-Boost button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Great, but it's not the final step here. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the Delegation Queue sign. This means to complete the BGT token delegation to one of the validators. You have to wait until you receive a notification that your delegation is ready for confirmation, and you see the Confirm button. I've already delegated some of my BGT rewards to the Kodiak validator before, and now, after a couple of hours, I can finally confirm my delegation. Click the Confirm button to complete your delegation. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Make sure you confirm all the delegations you make, as it takes time to go through all blocks on the blockchain. Don't forget to come back and click the Confirm button to complete the delegation process. All right, let's head back to the dApps page. I have already shown you one of the most profitable and effective strategies for receiving juicy rewards in BGT tokens and delegating them to validators on an ongoing basis. However, in this testnet, it is also important to participate in other activities. The next dApp we are going to use is the Bend dApp. Click on the Go to App button. You will be redirected to the Supply and Borrow page, where users can earn interest and rewards by supplying their assets and borrowing honey tokens. Click the Borrow Honey button. On the next page, users are tasked with supplying any of their assets to borrow honey. I will be supplying my Bitcoin asset. Click the Deposit button, enter the amount you want to supply, and click the Approve Infinite button. In your MetaMask wallet, set your spending cap to max. Then click the Next and Approve buttons. Wait a moment, then click the Deposit button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Awesome! Let's also supply some amount of honey. Click the Supply button. Enter the amount of honey you want to supply, and click the Supply button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Done. Now, let's scroll down a little and borrow some honey. Click the Borrow button. Enter the amount of honey tokens you want to borrow, and click the Borrow button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Done! Let's head back to the official Berachain dApps menu. The last dApp we're going to interact with is Burps. Click on the Go to App button. Here, users can trade their favorite pairs. Click the Start Trading button. On the trading platform, specify the amount of honey tokens you want to trade in the honey and ETH pair. We are going to trade using a long position, so I will increase the leverage to 100. Scroll down and click the Approve Infinite button. In your MetaMask wallet, set your spending cap to max, then click the Next and Approve buttons. Next, in the left corner, click on the green Place Market Long Order button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Here you can see your order position. Now, let's close our long order by clicking the small red cross icon. In the pop-up window, click the Close Position button. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Done. We have successfully closed our position. Let's go back to Berachain's official dApps page. I'd like to remind you that we still have the delegation queue that needs to be confirmed. Let's visit the BGT Station dApp again. Click the Go to App button. In the BGT Hub, click on the Delegate menu. Scroll down a bit and you will see the Confirm button. Click the Confirm button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Great. One important thing to mention here is the Rewards menu. Click on the Rewards tab to see the rewards you receive for participating in all Berachain dApp activities. Visit this page regularly and claim your BGT rewards by clicking on all the claim buttons. The Berachain testnet experience is now complete. Berachain is not just another regular blockchain, it's a thriving ecosystem, and it's expanding every day. While I won't be covering every project within the Berachain ecosystem in this video, there are simply too many to list, I will focus on the most popular ones that have the potential to reward early users. One of the most hyped activities in the Berachain ecosystem is the Honeyjar platform. Honeyjar is a Berachain native community venture studio that excels in various domains. They incubate projects, conduct in-depth business development, and maintain a constantly expanding network of partners. Participating in Honeyjar activities can potentially reward users with tokens, whitelist spots, and other exciting perks. Head to the official Honeyjar events and quests website. All links will be shared in my Telegram channel, so make sure you join for valuable exclusive information. On the Honeyjar website, you can claim a small amount of Bera tokens daily using the Faucet, participate in raffles and quests, and check your collection of NFTs minted on the platform. One important feature to note is the small events icon in the bottom right corner. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see any ongoing special events and participate. Click on the Run It Back Turbo menu. On the next page, you will be offered the chance to mint 2 special tickets. Don't miss this opportunity, as these tickets can act as multipliers for future airdrops. To mint these tickets, you'll need around 14 honey tokens, which means you'll need to use the official Berachain Faucet at least twice, and swap your Bera tokens for honey tokens. After swapping and ensuring you have enough honey tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you can easily mint these 2 tickets. I've already minted my 2 tickets, so don't waste any time. Mint yours now, as this activity can be time sensitive. The next important feature on this platform is quests. Most quests are straightforward to complete. typically requiring you to log into your Twitter account, like, and repost specified posts. Make sure to dive in and stay active on the Honeyjar platform to maximize your rewards. The next activity you can participate in is on the Kodiak platform. Kodiak is an innovative decentralized exchange that brings concentrated liquidity and automated liquidity management to Berachain. They have raised $2 million in investment and potentially reward users who interact with this DEX. I won't go into deep details in this video about what exactly needs to be done, but I recommend testing all its functions. These include token swaps, providing liquidity in pairs, and staking your tokens. Kodiak is user-friendly and easy to understand, so stay active and test it regularly. The next big thing I want to mention is that a few days ago, Particle Network announced their first Co-Testnet wave, featuring 2 EVM Cosmos chains, Berachain and Sei. Particle Network is a modular blockchain developer focused on chain abstraction technology, having raised a massive $25 million in investments. They've stated that this co-testnet will be rewarded. I won't go into detail about how to participate in this particular testnet in this video, as it would make the video too long. I'll cover it in my next video. For now, you can register for the Particle Network Co-Testnet with Berachain by following the links on my Telegram channel. Don't miss the chance to participate in this exciting testnet. I hope you found it informative and helpful in navigating the exciting world of Berachain and its ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the bArtio channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating great content for you. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.